I want to talk about the debugger. The debugger is a wonderful, wonderful tool that will be amazing and is one of my favorite features of C# and Visual Studio and .NET, and it makes the world a better place to live in. So, what do I mean by a debugger? Well, a debugger allows us, we've already seen examples of a debugger. What it allows us to do is it allows us to actually watch as our program executes. So what do I mean by that? Well, so I have a bunch of write lines here. And if I were to run this program, I'll get this. There shouldn't be any surprises about what this code does by now. The important thing that I'm about to show isn't about the code, it's about what we can do within Visual Studio to actually watch as our program runs. There's something over here called the gutter. It's in this edition of Visual Studio with this particular color scheme, the gutter is just this little brownish gray thingy here on the left. And what we can do here with the gutter is we can click. And what happens when we click? We get what's called a breakpoint. A breakpoint is not something that's actually part of the source code. A breakpoint is something that Visual Studio gives us. And what it allows us to do is it allows us to stop the execution of our program when that breakpoint is hit. So I'm actually going to go ahead and set a breakpoint on line 9. And again, I'm doing that by just clicking in the gutter. Then I'm going to hit F5, and it's important that I hit F5 because that actually launches our program with debugging.